Every image you're looking at right now, from photorealistic scenes and anime to line art, 3D artwork, and all kinds of creative 2D designs, was created using just one underrated AI image generator. With free daily credits, no premium subscription, and without spending a single dollar. While everyone keeps talking about Nano Banana, Midjourney, and Firefly, barely anyone seems to know about Piclumen. If you still haven't tried it, there's a good chance you've been missing one of the best AI image generators of 2026. I'm Iman, and you're watching Iman Global. Stick around until the very end because this one's going to surprise you. I already published a complete Piclumen tutorial on the channel, but since then, the website has been completely redesigned and several new AI models have been added. That's exactly why this is the fully updated 2026 version of the Piclumen AI tutorial. I dropped the Piclumen link in the pinned comment. After landing on the website, head to the top right corner and click Start for free. You can sign in with your email, Apple ID, or your Google account. I'm using my Google account so we can jump straight into the tutorial. The moment you sign in, you'll receive 10 free Lumen credits as a welcome bonus. Even better, those credits refresh every single day. Toward the end of the video, I'll also show you a trick to get even more free credits. To create our first image, I click Image from the menu on the left. Before getting started, one of the new features immediately caught my attention, a section called Get Inspired here. You'll find a collection of featured images that are perfect for inspiration. The really cool part is that every image includes a remix button. One click automatically loads the original prompt and settings into the editor, making it easy to tweak the idea or create your own version. If you click View All, you'll be taken to the Explore section, which we'll dive into a little later. For the moment, let's build our very first image completely from scratch. The first step is choosing an AI model. One of the things I really like about Piclumen is that it isn't limited to its own in-house models. It also supports popular models like Flux, Qwen, GPT Image, and Nano Banana. Right next to each model, you'll also see how many Lumen credits it costs to generate an image. Throughout this tutorial, we're going to focus on testing Piclumen's own models. For this first test, I'm selecting the LineArt V2 model. Since we're starting with a basic text-to-image example, I want to create a realistic character. The prompt I prepared earlier goes right into the prompt box. A little farther down, under aspect ratio, I change it to 16:9 because this project is for YouTube. The images per batch option controls how many images are generated each time. On the free plan, it's limited to one image per generation. Time to hit generate. Just a few seconds later, the first image is ready. For a first test, that turned out surprisingly well. LineArt V2 followed the key details in the prompt really nicely, from the lighting and facial features all the way to the character's outfit. In the corner of the image, you'll find the download button, which lets you save the final result. This page also gives you a couple of really useful tools. Upscale boosts the image quality, while Remove BG removes the background with a single click. For the second image, it's time to try one of Piclumen's most useful features, Remix. Imagine you've got zero ideas, or you just don't feel like writing a prompt from scratch. I open the Explore section to jump into Piclumen's public gallery, where thousands of images created by other users are waiting. To display only the images with visible prompts, I switch the filter to Prompt Visibility. After picking one of the images, all that's left is clicking the Remix button. As you can see, Piclumen's Remix feature automatically imports every setting from the original image, including the prompt, the AI model, and even the image dimensions. That means there's no need to set everything up from scratch. This image was created with the Z-Image Turbo model, and each generation costs 2 Lumen credits. I hit generate, and just a few seconds later, the new image is ready. Take a look at the result. The new image keeps the same style and overall vibe as the original, while creating something completely fresh and unique. That's exactly what makes Remix so powerful in Piclumen. With a single click, you can use an existing image as inspiration, inherit all of its settings, and generate your own version in almost no time. It's time to switch things up with a completely different style. This round, I'm entering a brand new prompt while keeping the same model and all the other settings exactly as they are. The only change is adding the words 3D cartoon style at the end of the prompt. After clicking generate, the result shows up just a few seconds later. Notice how dramatically the output changes just by adding a few words. The vibrant colors, soft lighting, and character design instantly give it the feel of a professional 3D animated movie. This is a great example of how a tiny prompt adjustment, without changing the AI model or any other settings, can completely transform the final style of your image. Next up is one of Piclumen's own models, Anime V2. I switched the model to Anime V2, paste in a prompt I prepared earlier, and generate the image. As you can see, the colors, facial design, line work, and overall art style capture the look and feel of classic Japanese anime really well. If you're into character design, manga, game art, or anime content creation, Anime V2 is easily one of Piclumen's best choices for that style. Moving on to LineArt V2. I select LineArt V2 from the model list, enter a prompt that's specifically written for line art, and leave every other setting exactly the same. The result looks completely different from everything we've generated so far. LineArt V2 focuses on clean lines, minimalist artwork, and crisp linear details, making it an excellent choice for line art, concept sketches, storyboards, coloring books, and all kinds of graphic design projects. For the final model, we're checking out one of the biggest names in AI image generation, Flux, developed by Black Forest Labs. The good news is that the Schnell version is also available inside Piclumen. I switch over to Flux Schnell, enter a prepared prompt featuring a cyberpunk car, and keep the rest of the settings unchanged. Just look at this result. The lighting, reflections, and camera angle are seriously impressive. Flux Schnell is considered one of the most powerful text-to-image models available today. Take a look at a few more images I created with this model. Piclumen is much more than just an AI image generator. The Tools section also includes several handy features. For example, Background Remover lets you erase the background from any image with a single click. Professional ID Portrait can turn an ordinary photo into a polished professional portrait for official documents, your resume, or business profiles, all without opening Photoshop. Just like I promised at the beginning of the video, here's how you can earn even more Lumen credits. Open the Refer and Earn section. Your personal referral link is waiting for you there. Share that link with your friends. Whenever someone signs up through your link, you'll earn Lumen credits. On top of that, the more active your referrals are and the more images they generate in Piclumen, the more Lumen you'll receive. There are a few other ways to build up your free credits too. The more credits you collect, the easier it becomes to access the more advanced and premium AI models. More tutorials covering powerful AI tools and features are on the way, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I'm Iman from Iman Global. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.